Hi, folks. This is Benny with Pierre Paul Driving School, answering question again. Now, today is the topic is the 5-hour class is the same as the 6-hour class, right? We have seen students or even people go on our website, sign up for the 6-hour class, and sign up for the 5-hour class, and mistaking that is the same as the 6-hour class, folks. 5-hour class is different from the 6-hour class, two different entities. The 5-hour class is for people who have done their learner's permit in the US and New York, I can say per se, and New York City, and the New York in New York City, and wanna go for a road test. They need a 5-hour class in order for them to be eligible to take that road test. That's where the 5-hour class coming in. 6-hour class, however, is a different setting. After you pass your road test, then you got your license. You may want to take a 6-hour defensive course for two purposes. Number one, it's to reduce point on your driving record. Number two, it's for insurance discount. Once you do the 6-hour pre-licensing course, it's valid here in New York City for 3 years. And it can take up to 4 points off your driving record. Okay? Let me say it slow. It can take up to 4 points of your driving record, and it can give you 10% discount on your insurance premium for 3 years. All right? 3 consecutive years, you will be receiving discounted 10% of your premium for 3 years. Now, here's the big mystery. People get also confused. People thinking that if they do the 6-hour defensive course, defensive course, will they deduct point off of the record automatically? The answer, folks, again, it's no. People also ask, if I got 2 points on my driving record and I do the 6 hours, I keep saying 5 hours, and I do the 6 hours defensive course, will those 3 points coming off of my record? Folks, the answer again is no, and it's coming from me, a driving instructor. I teach the class as well. Many people will not tell you anything. You run and do the 6-hour defensive course, and you check your record after a couple of days after you do it, you see the points are still there. And yes, those points will always be there. What does the 6 hours defensive course does? The 6 hours defensive course prevent your license from being revoked or suspended when the license accumulated the enough point to get suspended or revoked. Depending on the status of the license that you have, that will depend on that. If you have a commercial driver license in New York City, you get up to 9 points on your driving record. That's for commercial driver license. If you got a regular driver license class E or class D, you will get all the way up to 11 points on your driving record. Now, if you get moving violations, because that's the only way you're gonna get points on your license. If you get moving violation that is accumulated to those numbers that is respective to you, as I called earlier. If you get moving violation that accumulated to those numbers, and before they suspended your license, you will get credit for the 6 hours defensive course you've done, up to 4 points, to give you time to go ahead and correct those mistakes. In terms of what I mean by correct those mistakes, they give you time to get your license together, so you don't have to get your license suspended. You can go ahead and do an assessment class to bring more points down, and that's being provided at DMV office or certain place that they provided those courses. You can do that as well. But this is, I'm doing back of here, you don't have to go back. But this is how the 6 hours defensive program can be beneficial to you. Otherwise, can be beneficial to you. Otherwise, you cannot use it, taking that if you get 1 point or 2, it will automatically get the points out of your driving record. Reason I'm bringing this up, a lot of people get that confused and run and get the 6-hour class done and call the driving school or call wherever they do it. I just did my class and the points stay the same. How come that thing didn't go down? Just like I just explained, it makes no difference if you did not accumulate it, the minimum, if you did not accumulating the minimum points thereof in order for that license to be suspended or revoked. So I don't know if you guys have any concern, put in the comment below, but I felt like I have to bring a video about this because why? These are coming too much on the school. People get this confused, but we should understand it. You don't know what you don't know, okay? As driving school, it's our jobs to give clarity to those things so that will not be an issue for you. If you're new here, my name is Ben with Pierre Driving School, and this channel here we do everything about driving. So if you are new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. We understand that driving requires some strong responsibility. It is our duty to make sure that we educate ourselves in the best of our ability, so when things happen, we will know how to handle them. Because you and I think something is right, that's the right thing to do, most of the time may not be the right thing to do if we do not know what to do. It's worse if you don't know at all what to do and you just do something thinking that you are within your right, okay? Like I said again, Ben with Pierre Driving School, answering question again. We have question answer every morning. If you have anything you personally want me to answer, want us to answer, put in the comment below, as that's where we have most of our video topic coming from what you guys ask us. Until then, keep practicing. Here, this is Ben with Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye. Putting some guys in the car.